Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can group elements and objects on your canvas on Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. Navigate to your canvas and add a couple of shapes or objects like rectangles, ellipses, and so on and so forth. And here to the right, guys, you will see the layers and objects list. You may access this one by pressing the shortcut, Shift plus Control plus L. That's one way how you can access these elements. And after that, simply left click into one of them, press and hold left shift on your keyboard to select the other ones with your left mouse. To select them like that, right click into them and choose group. So that's one option. The other option without the layers list would be to left click into one of these objects on your canvas. Again, press and hold left shift on your keyboard and select the other elements, right click into them and select group. And the third option would be to select several of these objects using the method I just explained, and then use the shortcut Ctrl G. That is going to create a group. And you will see the group represented here on the layers list with that G as a letter and then the path below. Alternatively, guys, you will see that group by the selection box here. So to ungroup them, right click into the group and select ungroup or use the shortcut Shift Ctrl G. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.